So in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to hide or allow your gender from timeline. That's quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your Facebook and then just simply come to the menu and click on this gear to open up settings and privacy. It will just take a while, it's getting opened. And then in settings and privacy section, just get the account center, and in account center just get personal details, and after that just click on birthday section. And here you will get the two options on the bottom: who can see your birthday on Facebook or on Instagram. Just simply click on Facebook option, and then just simply click on change visibility on Facebook. Here in the gender option you can see that icon in front of gender like this one, and click on it, and here you will get the two options: allows on timeline or hide from timeline. Now that's up to you which one you chose. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial just leave me a comment below and I will be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys.